how to install your Linen Avenue cassette roller shades. This video will teach you how to install both outside and inside mount for any Linen Avenue 1%, 5%, blackout, or light filtering cassette roller shade. If you need help measuring and ordering the right size for your shade, refer to our How to Measure and Order video. Installing your cassette roller shade is easy, but you'll need a few tools to complete installation. A pencil, measuring tape, level, screwdriver, power drill, 1/16 inch drill bit, and safety goggles, which are optional. Begin by unpacking your cassette roller shade and double checking that it will fit your window properly. Make sure all parts are ready to go before installation. Your package should include 1 cordless shade, 2 mounting brackets if your shade is less than 42 inches wide, 3 mounting brackets if your shade is wider than 42 inches, and 4 to 6 screws depending on how many brackets you receive. If you are missing any parts, contact us at sales@linenavenue.com. Now you're ready to install your shade. First, we need to install the brackets. If you're installing inside mount, you'll place the brackets here to the roof of your window frame. To find the perfect spot, measure 2 inches in from the side of the window frame and towards the front so your shade avoids any obstacles when pulled down. Mark the location of each screw. If your shade arrived with a third bracket, measure the exact center of the end brackets and place the bracket there. If you're installing outside mount, center the headrail above your window frame and mark its edges. Measure and mark 2 inches from the marked edge and at least 1/2 inch above the window frame. Mark the exact location of each screw. If your shade arrived with a third bracket, place it in the exact center of the end brackets. For your shade to install properly, it is imperative that the brackets are perfectly even. Use a level to make sure all your markings are perfectly aligned. Once all markings are level, drill pilot holes with a 1/16 inch drill bit. Now, drill in the screws. Screw the brackets into place using the provided screws. Now you can hang the headrail by lifting it up to the brackets and hooking the groove on the top of the headrail onto the bracket. Push the headrail back until you hear it click into the bracket. To operate your shade, grasp the bottom rail and pull down to the desired height. To raise the shade, tug the bottom rail down and release. The shade will automatically stop at its upper limit. Linen Avenue's cassette roller shades allow you to change the stopping point of your shade and adjust its lift speed. To adjust the stopping point, find the mechanism on the right side of the headrail. If your shade is mounted inside the window frame, you'll need to remove the headrail from the brackets to access the mechanism. Use a flathead screwdriver to rotate the mechanism until the shade reaches your desired stopping point. To adjust the lift tension, find the mechanism on the left side of the headrail. Lower the bottom rail to any length. Use a flathead screwdriver and turn clockwise to increase speed and counterclockwise to slow the lift speed. If you have any further questions about this product, please contact us at sales@linenavenue.com.